Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video, I'm going to show you how to register as a freelancer in Fiverr. So as you can see, we are now here on the Fiverr website, and just click on join here and click on your email, and you can see this right here, and just click on create my account. After that, this will show, and just click on selling freelance services. After that, click on next, and what type of freelancer are you? Solo freelancer, for example, just like that. And what's your freelancing experience? Just click on anything there, anything you want, and click on finish. After that, you'll be redirected here, and click on complete your seller profile. After that, you'll be redirected on this page right here, and click on become a seller, and click on continue, continue again. And now you're here on this page, and you need to fill out all these options. After this, you'll be redirected on the professional info page and account security section. And after you finish all that, you're good to go. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.